ZD7H Pro Series. Product appearance. Main features: performance improvement, striving for excellence. Inverter multifunctional power supply. ZD7 630H Pro inverter multifunctional arc welding power source. ZD7 1250H Pro inverter multifunctional arc welding power source. ZD7 1600H Pro inverter multifunctional arc welding power source. Multifunctional power supply, submerged arc welding, flux core welding, manual welding, carbon arc gouging and electroslag welding, self-owned circuit breaker control technology, selection of constant voltage and constant current, panel and remote function. The product has a wide range of supporting uses. IP23S enclosure protection level. Supporting a CDC arc power supply, implement double arc double wire or multi-wire welding system. 100% 40 degrees rated load duration rate, suitable for heavy industry and high-intensity operations. 80 kHz output frequency, low output current and voltage ripple. High weld quality and uniform forming. 25 mm carbon steel double-sided welding without groove.